Get up, get a boat, and do the right thing. Stay away from the floodwaters. Yeah man, keep safe. And remember, walk with the Most High every time. Jamaica Yard Life.
Jamaica yard life, you don't know, tell the thing as it is, natural.
But there's a few things I really want to share about it. Yeah man, so stay tuned. Yeah, like up and about another day, giving thanks life as usual. Day out with 2 chain, yeah man. Michael said speed is a blessed day. General them there, Michael shop, isn't it? Yeah man, stop to get some refreshment, so just come with me, see? One love, every time. Just reach Somerset Crossroad. You know the river them in a full swing, but the place look amazing as usual. Beautiful, extremely beautiful. See the valley side look fairly cloudy. Yeah man, come take a walk with me. Make a walk out the road, you know? Yeah man, I have a package for collect. But they're on foot today. It's a blessed day. Yeah man. It's good to take a walk. Take a load off, you know? Yeah man. Free the mind. Yeah man, just reach Crossroad, you know? About to take the left, you know? I'm gonna say the right. Yeah man, I go Mount Lebanon. Collect the package, eh? Nice and easy. Bless up, bless up. Yeah man, this is yard, you know? Real yard life, you know? Elders them up on a boat. I make a run goat deal, I collect something, you see me? Bless up, bless up. Yeah man, one love every time. Jamaica, yard life. Walk good. Yeah man. Whoa, place look pretty. Extremely beautiful this morning. Yeah man. Making a run through the community. Bless up, bless up. Fire. On the go, we on the go. Nice and beautiful. Trinityville. Yeah. It's a nice day in the countryside, you know. Dear rain. Morning. Blessings, blessings. Fire. Whoa, big dada. General I run through, you know. See if we can run in on the Empress. Ask her what go and see food. Not cool there one. The Empress she ever up and about she run a small cook shop out across the road. Yeah man. They want to get your tummy up. You have to come check with sure that it's a blessing. Yeah man. Empress are prepared for later, you know. Yeah man, it's a blessing. Get the thing started. Nice and easy. Wash the peas. Empress. And she's up and about once more, still putting in the work. Yeah. I'll show you where fashion she has made so far. What is this, Empress?
Beef.
Beef. Come on, you have to run, come get the beef, you know. See that? Flour up already. And the chicken popping. Tell you later, I'll prime something, you know, man. So let's stay tuned because I have to come back and buy more food. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, the food just magnificent. Yeah man, on the go again, you know. It's a blessing. Here in our community. Mount Lebanon. Taking a nice stroll. Bless up hard at it. Yeah man. No, it got positive energy all the way. Yeah man, stay strong. Get in there, you know. Beautiful. Peaceful. Whoa. Look at that. Yeah man, stop a moment, Gracie, you know the energy go. Pick our we walk. Try our best to do the right thing, you see me? Yeah man. It's a blessed day. So let's stay tuned. Jamaica yard life 101. Up and about another day. We're always giving thanks to life as usual. You know me already. But me there one of Jamaica's finest, yeah? Jack Current. Right now I got a family depending on you, you know? Yeah man, it's a blessings day.
Yeah man, blessed. Heart love, you know. You don't know Jamaica yard life, you don't know tell the thing as it is, natural and pure. So you don't know big up all of the people them globally. Heart love, you see?
One love, one heart, Jamaica yard life. This is Jamaica. Real Jamaica. It's a blessing. Yard life at its finest, yeah? Countryside, experiencing a lot of weather, but the place looks beautiful as usual. Yes man, magnificent. Clean, fresh spring water. My. Look at that. This phenomenon took place in Portland, Jamaica.
Moving in our stay one place.
Going this way now.
This is in the Fontaine Fording, St. Thomas, Jamaica.
You should put some money down there if you go tie up that van there. You know, should put...
Right at Tony P. This is Marne Road right at Tony P. At 9 o'clock, this is what is happening. Look at the water. Look at the water. All the way up at Marne Road. Look at the water. Going and flowing and flowing. I'm standing in the water.
We're getting a whole heap of rain at the moment. I'm asking everyone to watch. Stay safe. Yeah man. Keep watch. Look out there, you know. Yeah man. And stay out of all them every water. Kids, stay in. Listen to your mommy and your daddy. Yeah man. One love. Jamaica. Yard life. 101.